Let's do row 2 together. You start with knit 2, yarn over, slip 1, then knit 2. You're going to take your left needle, go in the front of the right needle, grab that slipped stitch, and drag it over 2 that you just knit. That makes this nice bar across the last 2. Then do it again, yarn over, slip 1, knit 2. Left needle in front of the right, grab the slip stitch and drag it over the 2 that you just knit. Don't forget to yarn over before you slip 1, otherwise you will not have enough stitches at the end. Knit 2, and this is called pass slipped stitch over. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 2, pass slip stitch over, or PSSO, and then you're going to have 1 stitch left, knit 1. Then the next row and every other row, then the next row and every other row, we're going to purl all stitches. To make the pattern offset, you start the next row by knitting 1 and then starting the slip 1, knit 2, pass the slip stitch over, yarn over, slip 1, knit 2, pass the slip stitch over, yarn over, slip 1, knit 2, pass the slip stitch over, yarn over, slip 1, knit 2, pass the slip stitch over, and then you're going to have 2 stitches left at the end. You knit them both, and the next row will be purled. Then you're going to repeat this sequence of purl a row, the slip stitch row, purl a row, the slip stitch row, until this piece is 5 inches long. How can you tell if you're on row 2 or row 4 in this offset stitch? So there are 2 ways that I like to look at it. When you're looking at the front, look at the holes. So if the hole is like a little further over, 1, 2, 3, 4 over, then that means that you've just done row 4. All right, and if it's just 2 over, you've just done row 2. So this is 4 stitches over, I've just done row 4, and then I purled the back, which was row 1, so now it's time to do row 2. That's actually probably the easiest way. Another way I like to think about it is whenever I'm knitting 2 in the pattern, you're knitting into the hole, or you're knitting above the hole. So if I were to do row 2 next, I would do knit 2, yarn over, slip 1, and then the first stitch of the knit 2 is always on this hole. If you find that you're knitting in a different place, then something may have gone awry.